Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing episode 5 of What She Wanted versus What She Got, which is my series about how I recreate a set based off of what my customer sends me. So I show you guys how I custom mix glitters, custom mix colors, gels, and what I use to replicate the set that they want based off of the inspo picture that they send me, even if the inspo picture is made with acrylic and my press-ons are made with 100% pure gel. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna start off. I'm showing you guys how to make this really beautiful pink girly spooky set, and these are the colors that I'm gonna be using for this set pretty much. It's this Model 1's really cute pink, it's kind of a dusty rose, and then this really gorgeous Nail Addict baby pink color. I'm gonna be linking every single thing that I use in the description box down below for you guys. This is the set that I'm recreating. It is a pink Halloween set, and it's really cute. The creator didn't put a watermark or anything on their photo. That's the photo that my customer sent me, so I'm gonna recreate that for you guys today. If you know the original creator, please let me know so that I can give them some credit in the description box. But first things first, we're gonna pull out some rhinestones. These are some really beautiful pink ultra shimmery glass stones. These are from AliExpress. I love these so much, you guys. I'm very picky with my rhinestones. I only use the highest quality stones. I think in a few videos back I was talking about the quality of rhinestones and how you guys should choose like 2088 cut rhinestones. If you're looking for any, make sure to type in 2088 if you want them to be super sparkly, because that is the highest quality cut. Those tend to cost a little bit more, but I like to have the best quality, especially now that Swarovski stopped selling to like the public or whatever. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of the color Heaven Sent by Igel Beauty, and I'm going to be applying that on top of the dusty pink color that I had already put down as the base. I always put down at least 2 layers of base coat gel as well before I even apply my color, and then at the end I always finish file and everything like that. So I'm doing Heaven Sent. I love this color because it is a really very sheer milky pink color. In the video it might look like it's not doing a big of a difference, but trust me, in person it did make a really big difference. It makes the color look more flush, kind of more like acrylic like. I don't know how to explain it, but it really does give it that effect. So that's what I like to use if I'm trying to get that color, and I was trying to replicate the photo. So I know for sure that the photo was made with acrylic, like the nails in the photo were made with acrylic, so I am just trying to give it that effect. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I went ahead and I pulled out my dust collector. This is from MAKARTT. It is my favorite dust collector. Literally, it's so amazing. I'm going to link it down below for you guys. But I'm going to be pulling this out really quick because I'm going to be filing down the sides a little bit. I did notice that my gel was kind of bulking up on the sides and my shape was going away a little bit. And I love when my shape is super sharp and crisp. You might have noticed that in the beginning picture. The shape looks really nice, and if you follow me on Instagram, I try to get my shape for all my press-ons really gorgeous, and I try to get them to look like real acrylic nails. So I like to file the sides if my gel polish is getting bulky before I even apply my design, because I don't want to ruin my design at the end by filing, you know, once everything is already on there and once everything's cured. So I highly recommend taking this step and trying it out if you ever wanted your press-ons to kind of be more shaped and more sharp from the sides. And then what I'm going to be taking after that is I'm just taking my little dusting brush and I'm dusting everything off, and then I'm going to be cleaning it with an alcohol wipe because the sticky layer did get a little bit of dust on it. So I'm doing that before I apply any color because you don't want to contaminate your bottle. Make sure you have a lot of lint-free wipes on hand and some alcohol so you can clean your nails off. Now I'm going ahead and I'm applying my rhinestones. I'm doing them on the pinky just like they were in the photo, and I'm going to be kind of going across the nail a little bit and then on the sides. I'll just let you guys watch. And then right after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be applying the rhinestones for the little spiders on the pointer finger. And I'm going to be using an SS16 and then I believe an SS8 for the little head of the spider on that one. And then I'm going to be drawing on the legs. You want to make sure that you don't use too much glue for when you're doing the little spider nails, because the glue might get in the way when you're doing the legs. So for the little spiders, I'm going to be taking this MAKARTT gel polish. This is a white, and I really love this white gel polish, you guys. It is so pigmented, but the formula isn't super thick, which I actually really like. So I'm going to be taking this really tiny little brush, and I'm going to be drawing some spider legs on there. And I'm going to be doing 8 legs, so 2 going downwards and then 2 going upwards, just like kind of like a spider look. And this can be however, it doesn't need to be absolutely perfect, but it just comes out really cute. And you can just tell they're spiders because the little lines and everything like that. So for the next part, I'm going to be doing this little pumpkin that's on 2 nails, and I really do love the way this came out. It just was something really different that I've never done before, and it was kind of like confusing at first for me because I was like, I don't know, like kind of confused. So I'm going to just be going ahead and I'm going to be drawing the pumpkin. I'm doing half a pumpkin on this nail and then half on the other nail as well. And I'm kind of just doing it in white, just doing half a circle and then half a circle again. But I'm kind of making the circles a little more wide because I want them to have that really cute pumpkin look. So I did go ahead and just clean that up a little bit. And then I'm going to be taking the same pink that's on the base, but with a little bit more of the light pink to make it like a little bit of a different shade, if you know what I mean. And I'm going to be doing the little pumpkin ridges and everything like that. I was kind of looking at the photo to try to recreate this. It was very like, I don't know, really different for me. Like I said, I don't know if I said that already, but I am just doing this and I'm going to be outlining it. And then we're going to be doing like the kind of like sweater nail look that I usually like to do for Christmas designs, and I'm going to be pouring acrylic powder over this, and I'm going to be doing so many more designs with that. I really want to do some gingerbread nails, so yes, you guys heard it. I'm going to definitely do gingerbread nails because that's so cute, and I'm going to do some peppermint nails too for like Christmas time. Anyways, I'm getting off topic, but that's what I'm doing there, is just kind of outlining it, doing that part, and then I'm going to be also doing heart eyes and then the little mouth as well. And for the stem of the pumpkin, I'm just going to be taking a little bit of white gel polish and kind of just doing a little stem, half on one side and half on the other side. And then I'm also going to be placing rhinestones on top of that with my MAKARTT rhinestone gel again, and a few rhinestones just in a smaller size. Now for the thumb of the nail, I'm just taking my brush and I'm going to be doing the like French tip, but in spider web form, and it's going to be kind of like negative space. I don't really know how to explain it, but I'll let you guys see. So I'm freehanding the smile line I find freehanding the smile line very easy with this specific brush. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm literally going to order so many more of these brushes. I think I got them from AliExpress or from Amazon. I'll link them down below. This exact brush, I'll link this brush down below. But I know for a fact that it comes in a little set of like 3 or 4 brushes. And I'm going to be doing the lines. It makes it really easy to do lines and really easy to do smile lines. So if you struggle with smile lines, I do have a few videos actually on how I do my French tip. But if you want to freehand your smile line and you want to get better at it, I highly recommend this brush. I don't know why, it's just so good. So I'm going to be doing the little spider web just like this. It's really, really easy, honestly, when you have a good thin brush. If you have a thicker brush, your spider web's going to come out looking thicker, and you might get frustrated if you feel like it doesn't look the way it's supposed to. Don't get frustrated. It's most likely just your brush. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm kind of doing these upside down little smiley faces just so that I could get that really cute spider web effect. And this was one of my favorite nails. Like, I could definitely do a whole set just like this because I love this design. The way it came out was just stunning, especially because I'm going to be pouring the acrylic powder on top of it just like I did on the other 2 nails. And I forgot to mention that you pour the acrylic powder on top before the nail is cured. So as you can see right now, I just finished painting and I'm dumping some clear Mia Secret acrylic on top, making sure it's all covered, and then putting it in the lamp to cure. And when it comes out, I'm just dusting it off, and this is what the nail looks like. I'm taking it off to show you guys, but look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm obsessed with this nail, you guys. So stunning. I'm obsessed. I literally said that 1,000 times, but yes, I'm obsessed. And I love that one. And then this is the final look, you guys. This is just a quick little video. Honestly, this is like one of the quickest videos ever, but it's a really, really easy design. You guys can even just incorporate the French tip nail or the pumpkin or just like the little spider web, the little spider rhinestones. I'm obsessed with this design. So cute, and definitely perfect if you're more girly for Halloween and you don't want to go with the traditional like orange and purple and green and red or black and things like that. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.